You are not permitted in or near the jail cell or you are not allowed to make arrests until your badge. During ride along you can drop required marker body cam active. Do not leave vehicle unless told otherwise. You cannot interact with members of the public. You are not allowed to perform police duties until you are back. You cannot spawn PD vehicle or drive them. Only when doing mission patrol can drive a PD vehicle. I agree. You cannot leave PDG without permission or without a vested or suit officer. The intrude breaks. I agree, sir. You are not allowed in the sheriff or DFG's office unless acts are given permission. I agree. You are not allowed on floor one unless doing security or given permission. I agree. You are not allowed on floor three unless starting patrol given permission. I agree. During mission patrol, do not engage in any criminal activity. If you get shot at, do your best to get away. Stay in the vehicle and do not engage with a weapon in any way.